On Me by Kirk Franklin is just that sentiment of maybe every day we don't get along with each other, but we recognize that there are struggles, and we recognize that there are hardships in life. But if you can find one or two people to lean on, then it's worth the while. Thank you so much. We hope you enjoy our last piece. Thank you for attending our final concert at Battalion High School.
Searching for a father and a friend, praying that the storm someday will end. But instead of walking away, open up your heart and say, I am here. You don't have to worry, I can see your tears. Shoulder, you can lean on me. Oh, there's a child who is sick and begging to be free. He has no food due to his disease. He looks up to his mother as she holds his head, praying that someday the sun will shine again, and the pain will end. I am here. You don't have to worry. You don't have to worry. I see your tears, yeah. I'll be there when you fall. Friends are there.
How can I love Jesus when I've never seen his face?
Yeah, I see you dying and I turn and walk away. So hold my hand.
Let me take you to a friend of mine. He's waiting just to ease your troubled mind.
But instead of walking away, open up your heart.